Our customers pride themselves on their on-shelf availability, so if we don't deliver what we say we're going to deliver, and you might not be able to get something on your plate at a bar or a restaurant near you. So Storlogs is a storage and distribution provider with 5 cold stores nationwide. We cover the whole country most days of the week. If we miss a delivery or if there's a problem out on the road, there's always a consequential effect of that. The driver has a next job which we have to change. Obviously we have to communicate that to the customer, re-deliver the next delivery, so it's so important that we get that on time in full service, not just from our suppliers, but from every member of the team along the chain.
Morning, lovely, thank you.
We have a full repair and maintenance coverage, which is nationwide, so if it's an issue at any time, 24/7, Scania is on hand to help us. We use predominantly workshop services, but also using their administrative function to support us, whether it's our service schedules or advanced planning. I like the personal service, that you can speak to someone and it's consistent and reliable. Being able to be reactive and flexible is so key in our side of the business, and I think that's where we're very aligned, because we give that service to our customers, but we're only able to do that because Scania do the same for us. I think the key thing for all the services wrapped into one bundle, I've got someone that I can trust to look after the bulk part of my supply of the business, and I don't have to speak to a number of different parties to do one thing. It's important for me as a business leader to make sure that I can just pick up the phone and someone can sort my problem immediately. It gives me such peace of mind. The Scania is just more than a badge for us, it's about the people who look after the people. Being able to give these trucks to our drivers makes my life easier, makes everybody's life easier. The uptime and service from the workshop services specifically is fantastic.